Hey there, productivity enthusiasts. Want to save time and boost your efficiency? Let's dive into 3 amazing free AI tools that'll revolutionize your daily workflow. First up, we've got ChatGPT. This powerful language model is perfect for generating quick ideas or drafting text. Need a creative spark or a starting point for your project? ChatGPT has got you covered. Next, check out Remove BG. Say goodbye to tedious photo editing. This nifty tool instantly removes backgrounds from images, leaving you with clean, professional-looking visuals in seconds. Last but not least, meet Otter.ai. This game changer transcribes your meetings and audio files automatically. No more frantically scribbling notes. Otter's got your back. Ready to supercharge your productivity? Give these tools a try today. Don't forget to like and follow for more awesome tech tips. Remember, work smarter, not harder with AI.